Hi guys, so today we will be making a Scratch role-playing game. Now, I will leave a link to the role-playing game assets so that you can use them in your project. Let's click the See Inside button. No, we're probably going to click the Remix button, but since I made this, I'm going to save it as a copy. Let's name this Scratch RPG Episode 1 E1 or short if you want. Now delete all of these messages, but read them before we get started. You can delete this part if you want to, and I'm going to do that. Now, let us code the player. We have two costumes for the player, and we are going to be switching them, like idle and drum. But switch to idle for now. When green flag clicked, and then put it forever. But before that, go to X0Y0. Now, we want him to move when you click like up arrow, down arrow, left arrow, right arrow. And you might be thinking, oh, let's just do this. If key right arrow pressed, and that's actually correct, but you don't just move this up. No, you don't, because look, it isn't really that smooth. No. So what do we do then? Variables. We are going to make a variable called speedx for this part only. We set speedx to 0 when we start, and if Q right arrow pressed, we set speedx to like 5. And then we change x by speedx. If key left arrow pressed, sorry if I'm slow, then set speedx to speedx, then set speedx to -5. Alright, so as you can see, we are moving without, look, see, we are moving without me even pressing down the arrow keys. I just click and look, he moved. So we do set speedx, put out a multiply block, speedx multiplied by 0.8. And now look at this. Look at how smooth that is. And we're going to do the same thing for the Y position with this way only. We're going to set speed Y to 0, and then we're going to, if key up arrow pressed, you guessed it, set speed Y to 5, and if down, then yeah, -5. And we're going to do the same thing we did for speed X or for speed Y. Set speed Y to 0.8. Or we forgot to do change Y by speed Y. Important. And then go. Smooth as butter. No pun intended. Now, we can get to collisions. This is straight up very, very easy. Make a new sprite, since the very stuff we are going to use later. You can look at them. You can do what you want with them. If you want to make your game and not follow the tutorial, then do it. Just rename these costumes to Sidewalk. I live in Croatia and we call it a zebra. Yeah, you learned something new. In Croatian they say zebra, not sidewalk. I mean, crosswalk. Man, I forget sometimes. Now, we're going to name this inbox. Or however you want, I just name this because I want. Now, we'll click this button, and then we're going to do this. Ignore all of the stuff that's happening. Ignore that where the people are just stealing is the TV. Now we're going to name the custom also in box, only if you want to, you don't have to. And I'm going to incrementally go to x0y0, and the crucial part go to back player. Now we can see the player. Now we might be taking, but how do we make collisions? Easy, as by. We have to do this. If, and we are going to make the touching color. I know we are going to have made touching colors later, but okay. Now you don't want to just, oh yeah, no, we have to black, because look, saturation and color. Who knows, it can be different. So we are doing this and select the black part, or whatever part you choose. Now, if touching color, then we are going to just simply set speed x to 0 and speed y to 0. Let's just see if that works. I don't really know. And no, it doesn't work because of my awful coding skills. If you guys find out how to do this, then just leave a comment down below. Thank you for following this. We'll get back later. Yeah, no, it was short. I actually know. It was very short. But please just leave a comment if you know how to solve this issue. And thank you. See you later.